natin kantahan ang ating celebrant. Okay lang po bang makarinig ng isang malakas na palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? Ngayon, gusto ko everybody, kakantahan natin si Ma'am Ivy ng napakasayang awitin na happy birthday with energy, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Wait lang, di ba? To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ready? Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And this time, we'll make your wish, Mama Ivy, and blow your birthday cake. Happy birthday! Mama Ivy, thank you so much! Palakpakan po muna natin muli ang ating celebrant. And hindi rin naman makukumpleto ang araw na to